Are you tired of manually reviewing thousands of traces for your agent? As your application scales, issues become scattered across logs, missed failures, slow responses, and hallucinations. Finding them becomes a needle in a haystack problem. MLflow's automatic issue detection uses AI to analyze your traces and surface real problems instantly. Here, I select my traces and choose what to analyze using the CLEARS framework: correctness, latency, execution, adherence, relevance, and safety. Next, I can select an existing AI gateway endpoint or configure a model directly. In this example, I'm using an Anthropic model endpoint. With a single click, MLflow scans and clusters issues across thousands of traces using the configured model and categories. After processing, I get a summary report of all detected issues. Checking details, each issue is grouped with severity, affected traces, and clear explanations. I can drill into any issue, inspect examples, and quickly understand the root cause. Each rationale is clearly tied to its issue and category. If needed, I can edit an issue to adjust its severity or description. Once an issue is fixed, I can mark it as resolved with a single click. Resolved issues are automatically organized in a separate tab. I can also reject issues that are false positives or not relevant. What used to take hours of manual investigation now takes just minutes. MLflow's issue detection helps you move from debugging to actionable insights faster. Try it today.